In this edition of Wealth Creation Investing, my name is Forex Joe. We're going to be talking about Forex trading, honest appraisal of you, trading live in the markets. Now, as you're reading this disclaimer, I'd like to share with everyone that once you've found time to properly be educated and develop a successful practice regimen and save up sufficient capital, the time will come where you will have to tackle the live markets. And in the process, I like to show everyone these gears, and it constitutes like a 15-minute chart, huffing and a puffing as you see to the left of the chart, and it rotates into a 30-minute, into a 1 hour, and as you slow down, you see the gears daily, weekly, and monthly. I am a swing position trader, even though I teach all trading styles. And I'm looking at the 24-hour daily chart each and every day before I begin my process of doing my homework to prepare for the Forex markets. You too can have a light bulb moment on a consistent basis. By the time you've learned the mechanics of trading and the methods to analyze the markets, you will be most confident in understanding that each and every day you will receive a light bulb moment in the markets. As I'm embarking on my 12th year in the Forex markets, I continue to have these light bulb moments on a consistent basis. So as we talk about trading live in the markets today, let's ask some questions that you need to give an honest appraisal to. Are you ready to risk your hard-earned money in the markets? Are you prepared to lose? Can you put your money where your mouth is and have money that will not affect your day-to-day living? Can you handle the emotional, psychological, and financial economic pressure of the occasional losing streak and account drawdowns as you gain experience? Will you be able to control your excitement on a profitable trade? Can you let go of your last trade and completely focus on your next opportunity? Will you be able to overcome your personal attachment to money? Now, I would suggest that you stop this tape, review these questions, look at all these questions, and give an honest appraisal of yourself before moving on. Most others never mention all those questions on the previous page when they're trying to sell their software or techniques, do they? Well, it's a pretty well accepted fact of life that the vast majority of those who trade currencies on a retail basis ultimately end up losing every penny that they put into it. That's why I came at it from an educated point of view. I have developed an educational portal that will allow you the opportunity to go at your own pace, develop any specific trading personality, and use any trading style to be successful in the most liquid market on earth today. What separates the profitable traders from the unprofitable ones is that profitable traders handle the pressure of risk and control their emotions. They realize that losing is just part of business. Those who have enough confidence in their methods and systems know that a drawdown is a short-term setback and that they will soon recover. But those who are inexperienced starting out in the markets will completely come unglued with any drawdown, and they lose an opportunity to gain vast experience in the markets by executing trades in live current market conditions. Since performance is largely dependent on the right psychology, a trader's psychological well-being is more critical to top performance than most other professions when you're learning to trade live in the markets. When traders realize that performance is part of the overall picture and take the necessary steps to overcome the issues that weaken their discipline, they will begin to follow those training rules. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask that each and every one of you learn to become a CEO of your own personal bankroll. At this point, you will dramatically increase your chances of success in one of the most difficult positions and professions. In a nutshell, completing a good trading plan plus believing and following that plan are keys to overriding and overcoming many of the psychological obstacles to successful trading. So I want to challenge each and every one of you. And in this final crucial lesson that can't really be taught, you must be experienced. Write that down. You must be experienced to be successful in the Forex markets. Folks, it will take time and experience learning how to trade successfully in Forex markets. You have to put in the hours. Look for a 1 to 3 year learning curve before you're comfortable enough to go live and generate positive pips on a consistent basis, controlling fear or self-doubt. Now this is extremes when we're talking about 2 to 3 years. But what I like to ask each and every one of my clients, if you can't do this or aren't willing to pay the price, then ultimately Forex trading may not be for you. Yes, what you just read is correct. What you see is correct. What visually you're hearing is correct. If you aren't willing to pay the price or do whatever it takes, then ultimately Forex trading may not be for you. But if you choose to take the route, if you choose to participate, you and those of you who stay the course will prosper in a $4 trillion a day most liquid market on earth today. Imagine the possibilities of having full control of your daily life without hassles of answering to others. You see, ladies and gentlemen, freedom has its benefits. So focus on the marathon, not the 100-meter dash. You know, Dr. Wayne Dyer said that when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. I like to tell everybody that even if you only have 1 hour a day in the Forex markets, as you start to see success, you will develop a quality of attention or gravitation towards that you see success in whatever you're doing in life. That's what we're finding out in the Forex markets. You see, the Forex markets really remain an absolute and the absolute and upcoming absolute 21st century recession-proof business for those seeking a new vocation for a lifetime. I challenge you to excel, not just exist. I want you to keep it simple, and I want you to stay the course. I want to thank you for taking time to attend this video webinar, and until next time, may all the pips be with you.